Hey everybody, Kyle here with Big Rig Chrome Shop, bringing another product spotlight. Today we're going to be taking a look at Trux's new Radiant series work lights. So these things are really cool. They're actually flood and spot beam. So as you can see here in the middle, we have the larger diodes, which would be your spot beam. And then all around the outside, they have a lot of little diodes that make up your flood pattern. Now they make this in quite a few styles. We have just the 2-inch work lights, the square that I was showing, and the rectangular. Alright, now so these lights are really great. You can use them almost anywhere. A lot of guys that I know like to use them for inside trailers, at night with loading and unloading, parking lots, like snow removal, stuff like that. Help you see everything around you. Now these lights are super high quality. They'll last you a long time. They do have a 2-year warranty on there, so just what you'd expect from Trux LED lights. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and check out these lights or anything else that we offer, visit our website at bigrigchromeshop.com, and don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thanks.